The Ford F-Series has been the best-selling pickup truck in the United States for close to 50 years because Ford, they are pickup truck experts. They have the focus groups. They're constantly innovating and trying to make them better and better. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff Ford. Today we're going to talk about this 2015 Ford F-150. It's now October of 2025, so this F-150 is 10 years old, but back in 2015, this was pretty revolutionary, as the F-Series continues to be revolutionary and stays ahead of the pack. While other manufacturers are still focusing on naturally aspirated V8 engines, Ford started focusing on smaller engines with forced induction like this 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6. This engine was available for a little while as of 2015, but they also launched the availability of a smaller 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6, which we now can find as the standard engine on the F-Series for 2025. And the 3.5-liter V6 was brand new for 10 years ago in 2015, but today it's still considered the top-of-the-line engine on the regular F-Series, not including the Raptor or the Raptor R. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 pumps out 365 horsepower, and properly equipped, you can tow over 12,000 pounds. And it's considered the top-of-the-line engine in the F-Series non-Raptor, including superior over the 5-liter V8, which I know is a fan favorite. But the big news for 2015 was the switch to aluminum construction for the body panels. That shaved about 700 pounds of weight off the F-Series. So being able to take 700 pounds off the F-Series, that means you can tow 700 more pounds, or you can haul 700 more pounds in the bed, and without having to lug around that extra 700 pounds, that also improved fuel efficiency. This is a beautiful example. We took it on trade, very nicely equipped with features, beautifully appointed with the Lariat trim package. This thing's in great shape inside and out, looks beautiful in black. This one has the shorter 5.5-foot bed, which is great for casual pickup truck use, making it easy to park and maneuver in an urban and city environment, which makes it easy to park and maneuver in a city and urban environment. Pickup trucks have come a long way in the last 30, 40 years. Before, they were simple, utilitarian vehicles. Now they've turned into luxury family haulers with space for everybody. We have 4 doors, you have lots of legroom, lots of space for your family, beautiful leather appointed interior. This one has some nice side steps to get in and out. Interior is a pretty familiar place. We've seen it improve a little bit over the last 10 years, but obviously the evolution of the F-Series is not revolutionary, it's more evolutionary. Ford has a winning formula, they don't want to mess with it too much, so whenever they upgrade, redesign the F-Series, we always see incremental changes, incremental improvements. Nothing revolutionary like we've seen with some other Ford products that didn't exactly hit the mark. Nice big pano roofs allow lots of natural light inside. You have this power sun shade to dim things down. What a beautiful day today. In the middle of October, 65 degrees out, not a cloud in the sky. What a wonderful fall. Big screen for the navigation system, a parking camera, heated and air-conditioned front seats. The 4-wheel drive system is very easy to use. 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive auto, 4-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive low range, and we also have a locking rear differential. This one has 80,000 miles. Not too bad. A lot of these 2015 F-Series, usually they have over 100,000 miles. This is kind of the lower mileage one. A lot of times when they're about 10 years old and over 100,000 miles, usually they're kind of in rough shape. We're sending them to the auction, but this one's definitely above average condition, and we're going to keep this one for our lot. Well, thanks for joining me in this walk-around video of this 2015 F-150. Revolutionary for its time. Aluminum body panels, helping it stay ahead of the pack. And 10 years later, it still is best-selling truck in the United States for close to 50 years. My name is Joe. We are Scarff Ford. We've been in business 103 years, proudly serving the greater Seattle Tacoma area located in Auburn, Washington. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety of premium vehicles, of course, lots of pre-owned F-Series. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.